More than 100 years ago, Edwin Ruud, a Norwegian mechanical engineer, came to the United States and developed the first successful automatic water heater. Today's Ruud brand not only includes water heaters, but it also features some of the industry's most reliable and durable heating and cooling products. Ruud's all-new redesigned cooling platform has game-changing features, making these units unlike anything else available today. Launching in Achiever, Achiever Plus, and Ultra models and 1.5 to 5 ton capacities, these units offer something for everyone. Ruud branded products are developed using a 360+1 product development philosophy, which involves evaluating every detail of a product from top to bottom, inside and out, and everything in between. The company also gets valuable feedback from customers and then designs a product that promises 360 performance, installability, serviceability, and integration, meaning homeowners get the best performance and user experience, while dealers benefit from features that improve installations and service calls. 360 performance features give homeowners an efficient, worry-free operation. Cooling efficiencies in this line exceed federal requirements by 54%, and heating efficiencies are up to 58% higher than standard systems. Inverter technology helps meet cooling demands up to 110 degrees Fahrenheit and heating demands down to 7 degrees Fahrenheit ambient. The new composite base pan adds durability and eliminates corrosion, while providing quieter operation with 35% fewer fasteners than previous designs. An optimized fan orifice improves efficiency, performance, and sound characteristics. Scroll compressor technology, long used by Ruud, maximizes performance and reliability. These new air conditioner and heat pump models are matched to efficient aluminum evaporator coils, which provide a more reliable, durable design than previous models with conventional coils. Soft corners and a warm gray powder coat finish give these units an appliance-like look and feel. 360 installability makes installations faster, easier, and more cost-effective for Ruud dealers. The 3-inch, 4-inch, 5-inch service valve space leads the industry with more workroom between, below, and above the service valves. This feature gives dealers a 27 square inch work area for easier Schrader access, brazing, gauge hookup, and more. The composite base pan has recessed sections for easier handling. It also has screw trays molded into the base pan that can hold loose fasteners and Schrader caps. Plus, it has molded-in receptacles that accommodate heat pump risers so that the unit can be raised above the snow line in colder climates. Measuring 15 inches, these units have the industry's widest control box, which opens by removing 2 fasteners. Making the control box easily accessible during installations will help dealers effortlessly hook up the high-voltage electrical whip and the 24-volt control wiring. 360 serviceability equips Ruud dealers with features that speed up service calls. This service-friendly design includes easy access to external gauge ports, which makes hooking up gauges and servicing simple and fast. The design also includes a unique service window that allows access to high and low pressure switches, as well as heat pump TXV and reversing valves to perform diagnostics while the unit is running. Ruud's triple service access gives dealers 3 easy ways to access important areas of the new air conditioners and heat pumps. The first point of access is our 15-inch wide control box, the industry's widest. The second is the 2-fastener removable corner. By removing this corner, dealers can quickly access the interior of the unit so they can easily locate the most important components of the system. Single fastener quick release louver panels provide a third access point, and this design makes coil cleaning faster. 98% of the products in the Ruud cooling line have single row coils, which are much easier to clean than conventional 2-row coils. The Classic Plus and Prestige series units in Ruud's new cooling platform are EcoNet compatible. Ruud EcoNet is the first integrated air and water control center that lets homeowners manage 65% of their home's energy use from a single access point, both at home through a wall-mounted touchscreen or while away with a free mobile app. This new Rood cooling line will make an immediate impact in the industry, and we're confident that dealers will find them to be the easiest to install, easiest to service, and the best performing Rood units ever made.